last 5 minutes of the drill. And fellas have maintained that 1,000 plus for more than an hour. 1,250 gallon a minute for at least 50 minutes of it. They had to back it down a little bit about 10 minutes ago when they had a tanker drop out of the line. But never loss of any water. 4-tank operation. 3 tanks continuously with a 4th used from time to time. What they elected to do is always try to provide a tender on this middle tank so that they could keep that full at all times. No issues. Again, I want to point out something interesting, right? So this is a 1250 pumper. He's drafting with 2.5 and 6-inch hard sleeve. They're flowing 1,250 gallon a minute out of that tower, but this pumper is also pumping 2 jet siphons. So in reality, that pumper is pumping over 1,250. Plus the tower is pumping a jet siphon, which is another 125 gallon a minute. So this pumper easily is doing more than 1,500 gallons, even though it's a 1250 pumper. So that's the importance of the initial suction in place, even if it's a small 3-inch suction line. So again, folks have done a good job. They're going to be part of our 1,000 gallon a minute club, meaning that they never ever ran out of water from the time they started, and they flowed more than 1,000 gallon a minute for the last hour of the drill. So good job to the folks both sides of the Mississippi River here in LeClaire, Iowa.